Welcome to Infigam friends. Here's an algebraic equation that looks completely impossible at first glance. We have one cubic polynomial on one side and one square root expression on the other. But with one clever approach, everything collapses beautifully. Do not try to square both sides because it leads to Hexig equation which actually makes the problem worse. Now I want you to pause the video right now and try this equation by yourself first. So let's get started by writing here x belongs to real numbers. Now we will write our equation x cube plus 3x square. We have 4x which we can write 3x plus x. Then we have 2 which we can write 1 plus 1. And in right hand side we will write 3x plus 2 times square root of 3x plus 1. Now we will pick x cube, we will pick 3x square, we will write 3x and we will consider 1 and the remaining terms we will write x plus 1 equal to 3x plus 2 times square root of 3x plus 1. Now this is x plus 1 whole cube. So we can write here x plus 1 whole cube. Then we have plus x plus 1. And in right hand side we'll write 3x plus 2 times square root of 3x plus 1. Now we are going to consider substitution. Let us say square root of 3x plus 1 equal to u. So I will write here let square root of 3x plus 1 must be equal to u. So u must be non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. Now we'll be squaring both sides. So we can write 3x plus 1 will be equal to u square, or we can write 3x will be equal to u square minus 1. Now we have 3x plus 2. Let's find 3x plus 2. We'll add 2 to both sides. We are going to get u square minus 1 plus 2, which is u square plus 1. Now we are going to plug in these values in our equation. We will get x plus 1 whole cube plus x plus 1. Then we'll write u square plus 1 and then our substitution u. Or we can write x plus 1 whole cube plus x plus 1. This must be equal to u cube plus u. Now we have, let us say this is f of x plus 1. And in RHS we'll write this is f of u. So if I will consider one function f of t, then it is equal to t cube plus t. We are going to take f dash t, first derivative of ft, will give us 3t square plus 1, which will be greater than 0 for any t belongs to real numbers. Once f dash t is greater than 0, we will see f of t. This must be a strictly increasing function. So this equation will hold true f of x plus 1 equal to f of u. Once x plus 1, this must be equal to u. So from this equation, we can say x plus 1, this must be equal to u. Let us put u. We'll write x plus 1 equal to the square root of 3x plus 1. To remove or eliminate a square root sign, we are going to consider squaring both sides. We'll put power 2 here. We'll put power 2 in right hand side. So square root and square will get over from RHS. We will write our equation x plus 1 whole square. This must be equal to 3x plus 1. Let's expand LHS. We will get x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 3x plus 1. We'll write all the terms to LHS and get x square minus x equal to 0. 1 and 1 will be cancelled out once we will subtract 1 from both the sides. X is common. We will take x common in the bracket. We will write x minus 1 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write either x equal to 0 or x minus 1 will be equal to 0. So from second equation, we are going to get x equal to 1. So we have in total two real solutions, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Now we are going to verify both the solutions. So I will write here check for x equal to 0 first. We'll write here x equal to 0. Equation is written here. We will begin with left hand side. So we have x cube. So there we will write 0 cube plus 3 times 0 square plus 4 times 0 plus 2. So LHS will become 2. Now we will find RHS. We will write here RHS 3x plus 2. So we will write 3 times 0 plus 2 is square root of 3x plus 1. 3 times 0 plus 1. We are going to get 2 times square root 1 will be equal to 2. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 0 is true and verified. Now we are going to check x equal to 1. We'll write here left hand side. Let's put x equal to 1 in LHS. We will get 1 cube plus 3 times 1 square plus 4 times 1 plus 2, which will be equal to 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. Value will be equal to 10. So our LHS is 10. Now we will check RHS value. We will write here 3 times 1, which is 3x plus 2, the square root of 3 times 1 plus 1. We are going to get here 5, 3 plus 2, the square root of 4. The square root of 4 is 2. We are going to get 5 times 2. Value will be 10. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 1 is also true and verified. So we have two real values of x which will satisfy our equation x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.